Let's dive into the world of terpenes, often referred to as the aromatic architects. Terpenes are natural compounds found in many plants, including flowers, fruits, and herbs. Think about the zesty scent of lemons or the fresh aroma of pine trees. These compounds are completely legal and non-psychoactive, meaning they won't make you high. Instead, they give plants their unique smells and help create distinct tastes. We encounter terpenes every day, and they do more than just please our senses. Terpenes play a crucial role in plant survival by protecting them from harm, such as repelling hungry insects or fighting off fungal diseases. They can also attract helpful creatures like bees and other pollinators, aiding in plant reproduction. The variety of terpenes is vast, with scientists identifying thousands, each with its own special aroma. Some smell sweet and fruity, others earthy, spicy, or floral, and a few might even have a hint of diesel. This diversity creates a hidden language of scents, a language that nature uses to communicate. Terpenes are present in many common products, from perfumes to cleaning supplies and food flavorings, subtly shaping our sensory world. In the world of cannabis, terpenes are the stars. They are what make different strains unique, imparting aromas ranging from fresh lemons to deep, earthy scents. These differences arise from their specific terpene profiles, which define a strain's character. Beyond just THC content, terpenes guide the experience and serve as the plant's aromatic signature. Take limonene, for instance, which smells of citrus and is found in oranges, lemons, and many cannabis strains. Then there's myrcene, with its earthy, sometimes fruity note, found in mangoes, hops, and thyme. Pinene, as you might guess, smells like pine trees. These individual scents combine to create complexity. Interest in terpenes is growing, especially in the cannabis industry. As cannabis gains acceptance, consumers are looking beyond just getting high. They seek specific flavors and aromas, learning that terpenes play a huge role. The subtle notes can enhance the overall effect, making flavor as important as potency. Legalization has fueled this curiosity, allowing for more research and innovation. People can now explore different profiles openly, leading to a deeper appreciation and understanding of cannabis, with terpenes at the forefront. Modern science has equipped us with powerful tools to understand terpenes. Techniques like gas chromatography and mass spectrometry allow scientists to map the exact terpene makeup of a plant, providing a precise chemical fingerprint. This knowledge is invaluable for research, as once terpenes are identified, they can be recreated. Scientists can isolate them from plants or synthesize them in a lab, enabling the creation of specific aroma profiles. This opens new doors for consistency in products and sparks innovation in flavors and scents. However, commercial cannabis cultivation faces challenges, as some harvesting methods and processing techniques strip away terpenes. Heat, light, and air are enemies of terpenes, and agitation during trimming can degrade these compounds. To counter this, some growers add terpenes back, a practice becoming more common. To accomplish this, many growers spray terpenes on their buds after trimming. For the smoker, terpenes are a dilemma. How to use them? Spraying is wasteful and too expensive. Applying to rolling papers does little good since they are mostly destroyed by the burning joint. Infusing using saturated cotton or paper takes days. Who wants to wait? A revolutionary new device has been designed to enable smoking terpenes. Introducing the world's first personal terpene smoking device, the Ultra. The Ultra is a uniquely designed pipe that adds terpenes to the smoke of a burning joint. Within the Ultra is a small chamber and several filter discs which can be saturated with drops of terpenes. As smoke enters the chamber, it is first cooled and then travels through the filters where the terpenes are infused. The smoker receives a cool and richly flavored hit. The magic is back. With the Ultra, you are in control to choose what flavor cannabis strain you wish to enjoy. No more having to settle for what the dispensary has or your street dealer. This innovative solution gently infuses terpenes into smoke, allowing users to customize each session by boosting or altering flavors in real time. Using terpenes with your Ultra gives you more control over your experience, transforming a simple smoking session into something more personalized and enjoyable. Want to enjoy the old classic or modern strains? Simply add their terpenes to your Ultra and you can bring back the magic. Learn more about terpenes and the Ultra at ultrasmoke.net.